Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Bad Boy Oil Change Kit is probably one of the most essential tools for any car owner who wants to save money and time by performing their own oil changes, offering a convenient and comprehensive solution that includes everything you need to get the job done efficiently and effectively right in your own garage, eliminating the need for costly trips to the mechanic and ensuring your vehicle runs smoothly for longer. Number 5. Kohler Maintenance Kit for Confidant Models. Ensure your Kohler engine performs at its best with this genuine maintenance kit. It's designed to fit perfectly and protect your engine's longevity. This kit contains all the essential Kohler genuine parts you need. You'll find a fuel filter, air filter with pre-cleaner, and an oil filter. It also includes high-quality spark plugs and 2 quarts of 10W30 Kohler oil. Everything is included to help your engine perform and stay protected. Specifically designed for Kohler Confidant models ZT710, ZT740 and KT715, KT745. This kit ensures a perfect fit for these gas-powered, 4-stroke engines. Regular maintenance with this kit will help maintain your engine's optimal performance and protect your valuable equipment for years to come. What we like. This kit provides all the genuine Kohler parts needed for a complete engine tune-up. It is specifically designed for Confidant models, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance. If you own a Confidant model and want to maintain its peak condition with guaranteed compatible parts, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Kit arrived promptly and well packaged. It contains everything you need to maintain my Kohler engine. Have ordered multiple times. Everything fit perfect and fast shipping. Worked just like they said. Number 4. Kohler Courage Twin Series Maintenance Kit. Ensure your Kohler Courage Twin Series engine performs at its best with this genuine maintenance kit. It's designed to keep your equipment running efficiently. This kit contains all the vital components you need, including air and oil filters, spark plugs, and premium synthetic blend oil. Everything is included for a complete tune-up. The included 10W30 synthetic blend oil offers superior wear protection thanks to its enhanced zinc content. This helps extend the life of your engine. Using a genuine Kohler maintenance kit is the smart choice for both your wallet and your schedule. It provides an efficient way to maintain your engine. Trust in Kohler genuine parts for a guaranteed fit and optimal performance. They are specifically designed to protect your engine and ensure it runs as intended. This kit is specifically designed for Kohler Courage Twin Series engines, including models SV710 through SV840. It's the perfect solution for your riding mower. What we like. Featuring a synthetic blend oil with extra zinc, this kit offers superior wear protection for your engine. It's designed for Kohler's Courage Twin Series, providing a cost-effective and time-saving solution. If you're looking for enhanced durability and extended engine life for your Courage Twin Series mower, this maintenance kit is a great option. What people say. I was able to do a complete tune-up where I changed out the fuel filter, both spark plugs, oil filter, air filter, and changed the oil all within an hour. I love how they made it so easy to have everything you need in one kit. Everything you need for a complete tune-up. Keeps your machine running problem-free for years. Comes with everything you need to do the maintenance on your mower before the season starts. Number 3. Kohler Confidant 7000 Series Engine Tune-Up Kit. Keep your engine running smoothly with this genuine tune-up kit. It's designed for optimal performance and longevity. This kit is specifically designed for Confidant and 7000 Pro Series engines. Ensure a perfect fit for your equipment. It comes complete with a high-quality Pro filter. This helps to ensure clean air intake for better engine function. As an original equipment manufacturer part, you can trust its quality and reliability. It meets the same standards as the original components. Regular maintenance with this kit will help your engine maintain peak performance. Enjoy reliable operation for your lawn mower. Installation is straightforward, allowing you to quickly get your equipment back up and running. It's a simple way to ensure continued reliability. What we like. This is a genuine original equipment manufacturer, OEM, part specifically for Confidant and 7000 Pro Series low-profile air filter engines. It guarantees a perfect fit and reliable performance. If you have one of these specific engine types and prioritize using authentic OEM parts for your tune-up, this kit is the one to get. What people say. Of course the filters were exactly what I would have expected. The plugs were name brand and came pre-gapped to spec. This kit has all parts needed to service my Cub Cadet XT2. One-stop shop. Perfect fit for my big dog Alpha MP54 with the Kohler 25 HP V-twin engine model #KT740-725cc. The oil is 10 to 30 syn blend with added zinc. This kit has the taller 3-air filter which is standard on the Kohler engines that come on the professional line mowers you would buy from a dealer versus the box stores. Number 2. Kohler 7000 Series Maintenance Kit 32-789-02S. Ensure your Kohler 7000 Series engine performs at its best with this essential maintenance kit. It contains everything you need to keep it running efficiently. This kit provides all the necessary components for a comprehensive tune-up. You'll find a pre-cleaner, fuel filter, air filter, and spark plug included. We've included high-quality replacement parts designed specifically for your engine. This ensures a perfect fit and optimal performance. Replacing these parts is straightforward, making maintenance a breeze. Get your engine back to peak condition with minimal effort. Regular maintenance with this kit will help extend the lifespan of your engine. Protect your investment and enjoy reliable operation for years to come. This specific kit is identified by part number 32-789-02S. Make sure this is the correct part for your model before purchasing. What we like. This kit includes the essential components for a 7000 series engine maintenance, including 10W30 oil. It's a straightforward and effective way to keep your 7000 series engine running smoothly. If you need a reliable and comprehensive maintenance solution for your 7000 series mower, this kit covers all the bases. What people say. All the pieces fit my Cub Cadet mower, 17 KKX009, perfectly. I bought this kit for my Gravely ZTX. It fit perfect and was easy to install. Fit my Toro time cutter. Number 1. Foxtrot Living Oil Change Kit. Introducing the comprehensive oil change kit from Foxtrot Living. It's designed to make your next oil change a breeze, providing all the essentials you need in one convenient package. This kit includes a spacious oil drip pan to catch every drop, a wide mouth funnel for effortless pouring, and shop towels to keep your workspace clean and tidy. Messy oil changes are a thing of the past. Our oil catch pan and specially designed funnel with a mesh filter allow for quick and clean fluid changes without any spillage. Constructed with durable, chemical-resistant materials, this kit is built for frequent use. It's suitable for various fluids, including gasoline, wiper fluid, DEF, and brake fluid. We've designed this kit for maximum convenience. It features ergonomically designed grip handles for easy transport and includes absorbent shop towels for simple cleanup. Tackle your vehicle maintenance with confidence. This kit provides a simple, efficient, and clean way to perform oil changes, saving you time and hassle. What we like. This kit offers a convenient and mess-free solution for your oil changes, including an 8-quart oil pan and a funnel. Its durable, chemical-resistant design ensures it can handle years of use. If you're looking for an all-in-one, easy-to-use kit to simplify your DIY oil changes and keep your workspace clean, this value kit is perfect for you. What people say. The 8-quart pan is solid. Feels sturdy, doesn't flex when it's full, and the built-in handles make it easy to carry without spilling everywhere. The spout is actually useful too, pouring used oil into containers isn't a disaster like with those cheap flat pans. The long neck funnel is perfect for getting into tight spots, especially if your engine bay is cramped. The extension hose is a nice bonus and snaps on tight. No leaks, no wobbling. Everything in this kit works together smoothly. I did a full oil change on my car and the setup made the whole thing cleaner, faster, and more organized. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.